Hello bakers, ready to get hot and steamy in the kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of baking vessels, specifically why a cloche or Dutch oven is your bread's best friend during baking. Picture this, your dough is all set, ready for its big moment in the oven. But where will its performance take place? On a baking tray? In a casserole dish? No. For the perfect bake, we're talking about the stage of champions, the cloche or Dutch oven. Why, you ask? It's all about the atmosphere. These vessels create a mini sauna for your bread, trapping steam and mimicking the conditions of a professional oven. This steamy environment is key for the oven spring, where your dough dramatically rises and forms that gorgeous, crispy crust we all dream about. Now, when do we bring in the parchment paper? It's like the red carpet for your dough, ensuring it can make a grand entrance and exit without sticking. Lay it down before your dough goes in, ensuring a smooth liftoff later. And the ice. It's not just for chilling your drinks. Adding ice to the oven when you bake introduces an extra burst of steam, giving your crust that final push towards perfection. So there you have it, a cloche or Dutch oven for the perfect steamy bake, parchment paper for ease, and ice for that extra crispy crust. Who knew science could be so delicious?